Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and she is Divya, myself Karan. So we are here to teach you today Makhna song from Bollywood. Okay, so first we'll start with the first introduction step. There is a music, but in music you'll be having just swag, or you can say swing, or just groove, whatever you want to do it, just do it. Okay, and now we have to start with the lyrics. Okay. I think it's an odd count, so I think I'll go with the lyrics first. So just follow me. I'll start with my left feet first, forward, left place, kick, ball, stop. One more time, watch me what I did. I'll start with a one step forward, a left, kick, ball, stop. One more time, do with me. Start with your left feet forward, a left, kick, ball, stop, and boom. What is boom? You have to spread your knees and hands together. One more time and hit it out. One more time. 1, 2, 3, start. A left, right, kick, boom. One more time. Say with me what I'm saying. A left, kick, boom. One more time. 5, 6, 7, start. A left, kick, boom. Okay, what is the lyrics for this step? A bhi na jaane, o bhi na jaane. Okay, 5, 6, 7, start. Step. A bhi na jaane, o bhi na jaane. Okay, what I did, o bhi na jaane. The same step I started with my left feet. Okay, do with me now together. 1, 2, 3, start. A 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the counting if you want to see? First count you have to leave it. Okay, it's a 0. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Yes, very good. So 1, 2, 3, start. Step, kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change. Next sentence. You have to go side and side. How you are doing this will add little drag to your left leg. Keep your right leg, and then left leg drag. Left leg and then right leg drag. Okay, watch me, it is side to side. Go side and side. What is the hand movement for this? You wanna go show your eyes. Okay, the lyrics says A bhi, step forward one. The lyrics says A bhi na jaane, o bhi na jaane, nano ke rang. So what I said? Nano ke rang. Okay. So first we'll show the fingers up and down. Simple. It indicates the eye. 1, 2, 3, say. And then simple. Just take your hands. Okay. Don't move your fingers for the second step. 1, 2, 3, start. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Chalo. Now do with me once. On the count, then we'll start with the music. 5, 6, 7, start. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 count step. So can we do it to music once? Ready? Just do it the music. Alright, so the next sentence is, you'll start with the first, we end with this step. Naino ke rang, naina jaane. Okay, so first when you're doing the naina jaane, you have to start with your left leg first. Naina jaane. What is the body? Body movement is, you have to take a body wave from head to waist and then step back. So like it's together. Okay, when you're stepping, that time you have to start the wave. 5, 6, 7, start. A 1, 2, that's it. Okay, only 2 step back and body wave, 2 body waves. It means head to waist, head to waist. One more time. 5, 6, start from here. Ready? All together. 1, 2, 3, start. Nano ke rang, once again. 1, 2, 3, start. Nano ke rang, naina jaane. Okay? One more time. 5, 6, 7, start. Say, नैनों के रंग नैना जाने. Okay, so if you see like that, your naturally right leg comes. So do right leg only. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. नैनों के रंग नैना जाने. Keep your one more extra step which is right leg, and then you have to hit your मिला जो संग तेरा. What is the next lyrics? मिला जो संग तेरा. So for this मिला जो संग तेरा, okay, you have to take your right leg off the floor. Watch me once. You will be on your left leg toe, and you will just take right leg off the floor. That's it. Perfect. Very easy. Okay. Easy to take a sport circle. Okay, it's called sport circle. You're gonna hit. What is the lyrics? Mila jo sang tera. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Say Mila jo sang tera. Then you're gonna go Uda patang mera. What is a patang? Patang has to be your side. Like आप अपने आप को पतंग बोल रहे हो. Ready? Mila jo will start from the Mila jo sang tera now. Ready? 5, 6, 7, start. Mila jo sang tera. उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग. Okay, so what is this? First you will start with your, as I told you, you will hit your right hand to your left hand and use that swing. This is the swing of your hand to take a circle and get the momentum to take the circle. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, start. Circle and stop. After this you wanna show a patang. 1 and 2. That's 2 times. This is 1 and 2. Okay. Open up your chest and then back. Open up your chest and make your back rounded. Again here you have to create a wave, little bit of forward and back. After this you will go on your left hand side. One circle, travel circle. Okay, you have to travel from that place to this place. Ready? It means उड़ा पतंग मेरा, उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में. Then what you want to do is a right together, left together, a right together, left together, keeping your hands in the air, hands in the air, hands in the air, and stop. Cool? Very good. Now till here we'll do it the once music. Let's go. Okay, the next there is a high pitch beat will come now. You have to little bit take a high, use the tempo of that music now and the song. Okay, you have to little bit high pitch with your steps also. So for that we are going to start with the right together, left together, right together, left together. What you have to do is all the way you have to just hit your elbows, or you can say hit your palm from down to one side. One side down, then up, up. So it's down, down, up, up. So down, down, up, up. So movement is happening from your elbow joint. Ready? Now legs and hand movements together. 5, 6, 7, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it's an 8 count step. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the lyrics? जग की कोई रीत न जानी. For this step, जग की कोई रीत न जानी. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. जग की कोई रीत न जानी. Okay, मैं तो बस. The next sentence is called मैं. You have to, from here you have to jump. मैं तो बस हुई दीवानी. What is a दीवानी? You have to rotate your wrist close to your face or close to your ears, you can say. Just make a rotation of your wrist with a finger. Okay, so 1, 2, you have to show it like 1, 2, and simultaneously waist, waist. Shift your weight on your right feet, left feet, right feet, left feet. So you can slowly create a wave by leading with your waist. How to create a wave? Lead with your waist. Okay, so 1, 2, lead with your waist means shoulder will come later on. I mean 1, 2. So first waist, shoulder, waist, shoulder. If you see waist first and then shoulder when it's waist going the other side. Okay. So 5, 6, 7. Start from where? मैं तो बस मूवी दीवानी. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's do with the steps. All the steps on the count once. 5, 6, 7. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool? Let's do with the music once still there. Yes, very good. So now, after that, you are learned what is the. After that, next step is you have already learned that step. Okay. Next step, which you have already learned. Okay. You have to repeat that once again here. So, what is the lyrics first? Next sentences which you have already learned. Mila jo sang tera. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Mila jo sang tera. उड़ा पतंग मेरा. Turn. हवा में होके मलंग. And stop. Okay. Then the main step, a chorus step, which is मैं छोड़ा ये घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना. We want to learn that step now. But still here, once we'll do it the music. Let's go. So now, main chorus step, you're gonna start with the मैं छोड़ा एक घर बार. So यहाँ पे what you have to do is a right, left, run, stop. Once again, you have to shuffle to the side. Okay, how to shuffle? First learn a right and go. Okay, right and go means first a 1 and shuffle. Okay, shuffling is what you have to take off your right leg to the other side and take in your left leg. So that is first lift this leg and shuffle. Okay, one more time. Do with me. 5, 6. Shuffle towards your right hand side. 1. One more time. So first do the action that you are going that side, but on the second action you have to move. Okay, it means a 1 and go. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 6. 1 and go. So what is the go? Go is the second count. 5, 6, 7. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go on top and down, top and down. Just place your left elbow here and right fingers, whatever, take a slice hand and take it up, chop, down, chop, chopping it. Okay, chopping it. Ready? And 5, 6, 7. Go. Simultaneously, you have to add your waist to your movement. So a waist movement, hand movement is this. So together, 1, 2, 3. Start. O makhna ve makhna. If you ask the count, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool? And then once again together. मैं छोड़ा ये घर बार. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Start. मैं छोड़ा ये घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना. Okay. Now अब तू ही है संसार मेरा. अब तू ही है संसार मेरा. Okay. Cool. One more time. Say what? It's like 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll start with my right knee off the floor and just as if you are balancing the football on your feet, like how we balance. Like this, like bounce on my feet. So you have to take the football on your feet and 1, 2, 3, 4. On 4, you have to step down. Simultaneously, you have to keep one hand, one arm up and other arm as if you are the lyrics and holding the mic in your hand. Okay, no problem. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Start with the 1, 2, 3, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? O makhna ve makhna. Okay, the next lyrics is you're gonna start with your one hand up and other hand down. One hand up and other hand down means left hand up and right hand down. The same time, what you're gonna show, you have to take a 360-degree turn. That 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's very simple. Start with your front, side, back, side. What I'm using the word called front, side, back, side, because if I'm standing like this is my front, this is my side, this is my back, again side. Okay, so counting is 1, 2, 3, start. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So then each step of this is 8 counter step. Like मैं छोड़ा एक घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना. If you do it a count, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the next 8 count? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. The next you wanna go with the O makhna ve makhna. Do with me once. 1, 2, 3, start. O makhna ve makhna, pagal sa hai pyar mera. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Say on your right hand say hit to your head. Little bit move towards left, move towards right. So you have to slide from right to left, left to right, right to left, left to right. So it means pagal sa hai pyar mera. You have to say O makhna ve makhna, which you are already done. Okay, that O makhna ve makhna is already which you are done. That is pagal sa hai pyar mera O makhna ve makhna. Okay, and then next is first you wanna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that is मैं छोड़ा ये घर बार मेरा मेरा. Okay, मेरा मखना. You just hit your head last time. Okay, मैं छोड़ा ये घर बार मेरा हो मखना. Just have a swing. Then again, first like chorus will repeat that you have to do it. What is the chorus? छोड़ा एक घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना, अब तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना, ए पागल सा है प्यार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना. And then same what I shown you, a cross, open and swing, or you can say a swag and say makhana. And here we done with our choreo. Let's do with the music full together once.